The reason we chose to build our ArkPad prototype on Boracay Island is because it's a very popular tourist destination. It attracts over 1.5 million visitors per year for events such as the International Windsurfing Competition and the Dragon Boat races. Off here in the distance, you can see that there are about 20 parasailers right now off the west coast that are currently out enjoying the holidays. I'm here at the work site where we are unloading our first large delivery of construction materials. These are the styrofoam blocks that are going to be used to ensure the ArkPad's flotation. So right now, we have several more deliveries on the way, and the rest of our materials will be here within the next few weeks, so we can begin welding and pouring our seasteading cement to finish up the spars and the platform. Behind me, we have the location where we will be placing our steel formworks. The formworks are a big metal tube, kind of a frame, into which we're going to put all of our flotation materials and pour our seasteading cement in order to produce our spars. You can see a short video of what that might look like here. These spars will be the thing built to hold up everything on top of the ArkPad.